horsepower Corvette. I smoked with that. Something like that. Stuff like that.
Then choose the candidate you think will win. If you're right, we'll give you $500. What do you mean? Okay, right.
Mustang Motorsport.
Okay, y'all gonna get you right. Right behind you. Okay. Okay.
Behind that truck? God.
Right behind that truck. Okay, yeah. You up there? Who else I got out here?
That's your Derby City truck.
Grand Marshal.
Right there.
Yeah. And the Derby City truck group is hanging back here in the parking lot waiting for... Oh, he's right there.
That's me right here.
I didn't want to forget you. Okay.
That's all right. Thanks, man.
It's all right.
Hold up. Let your shredders fall in behind the convertible. Okay? And then, after the last one goes through, I want you to come out.
Okay.
Okay?
Is there going to be someone...
Now that's a tall truck.
Okay. He said, nope, I don't think so. I like their clock they come
Sun
up with.
finally
You know,
came
that's
out.
what this is all for.
Oh yeah.
They're trying to raise money for a clock. They don't know where they're going to put it yet, but somewhere in the
somewhere in the community. The old Colgate clock, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, part of this is too, they, the way I understand it, when the city county did the merger, they lost having their own police department.
Right.
And they just recently reobtained their own police department. So that's what a lot of the celebration is for them, that they've actually got their own police department. Are we moving? We're going to be slow. I can see this going to be slow.
Oh yeah. And here we are, forced to break the law. There's a sign right there, it says right turn only. And the line is going left. How about that?
Luckily we have police escort.
That's right. Kind of like the fastest parade I've seen.
We got people passing.
We're being passed.
Yeah, in a parade.
I've never been passed in a parade before.
Oh, it's idling, man. We still aren't even out of the parking lot.
I know it.
Karen is still trying to get out of the parking lot back there.
Oh, wow.
I want to get people out taking footage from their houses.
At 95.7 QMF Louisville's only Rio Classic Rock. Jay Gallows Band and Billy Idol are going to go back-to-back when we come back in just a couple of seconds. Jesse James Dupree from Jackal, he's back. Jim Porter's Friday, November 16th. Tickets are on sale now through ticketweb.com. The first thing is you got to quit what you're doing, man.